You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be provided for you.
What's this?
Homicide case. 18-year-old girl stabs her stepfather to death. She claims it was self-defense following a sexual assault.
Miss Tanya, why do you want me to defend you?
It's either you or a public defender.
I'm a lawyer. All my clients are crooks.
This scripture is just for you.
Deuteronomy 16:20. Follow justice and justice alone.
Justice is a ministry.
Well, does it help to get the devil praying for you?
Look, Jesus ate with tax collectors and prostitutes. And he heard the sinners pray.
You know, we've all heard the scripture from Ephesians 5:22. Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husband, like unto the Lord. But what most people don't know is that the word submit was added when the scriptures were translated into English. And submit was never in the original Greek manuscript. As women, we must eradicate the concept of submission from our thinking and stand firm on being the bride of the Messiah. But in order to do that, we have to be educated in our rights, both biblically and legally. Receiving the healing that can only come from turning to his Son, we all will let our voices be heard. Then sings my soul.